I did the Project X workout and in just 30 seconds my body, life and soul changed forever.
So the people in Australia have obviously had a coffee and they're all like, let's get this out, let's post this, let's do this. And I'm like, it's 11 PM.
Where?
Lisbon.
What are we here
Portugal.
for?
IFS. My tag is here, that means my bag is on the plane.
Oh really?
Yeah, so I got an Apple tag. Tay got it for me, so that if my luggage isn't with me, I can see where it's at.
We got off the plane, we're on the bus, we're gonna head into Lisbon. Smith hasn't drank for 6 weeks. I haven't drank for
Weeks.
6 weeks. I haven't drank for 4 weeks, I think, or so. I've had a beer here and there, but we actually haven't got drunk together in a while. I think tonight, or tomorrow, and Jade's here, tall white friend. So get ready, guys, for a sick vlogging and not enough vlogging.
The plane. Fuck off.
What would you like to say? One of the IFS staff here, we've got IFS staff. What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
I'm too tired for this shit.
If you want to move really quick in an airport, you can move it.
Good.
Wait. No. Do you remember planking? In with the Russian on today.
Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Portuguese.
My gooch is sweaty.
My balls.
Yeah, like
It's
sweaty.
mad. Did you shave your balls as well?
Nah, I ain't done any of that stuff in a while.
Have you ever veted your bum?
I was with you. I choose the sensitive stuff.
When he said I was with you, not like that. Alright, not like that.
I don't go too close to the hole because one time I've eaten my whole body, then I got it too close to the sun, and then it was burning the anus, and then I was fucking so scared I had to wash it all off.
Boom. Let's go. Yeah! We've got our own car. Not own, but there's a few of us here, but I'm excited. I've never been to Portugal. I heard Lisbon. Lisbon's your dad's favourite city?
Dad's favourite city.
I wonder why.
I want to know. I want to find out.
What's that street called? Pink Street. Yes. Pink Street. Inside.
It's not cool.
What do you think about all this chat?
I'll be in Portugal going around. Yeah, so we'll be hitting up the shop.
Uncut safties, meals and uncut tabs.
Uncut dabs.
Right, so the English speaking
Dabs. So I just got into my room and I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty fucking ridiculous. The pool's right out there, that's a little balcony, that's where the pool party is for IFS. I'll show you guys properly tomorrow. I've got a little upstairs, this is a little suite, look at this. This is a madness right here. This is the bathroom, look at this! Let's go! I'm about to do a little gym set. Yeah. Gym is not too bad, but we're gonna deal with what we have. Jade, what's going on?
Much harder than it looks.
Why call me Jade for?
What did you say?
You said big motherfucker.
Before I was talking about you. Is that what it calls a red out?
What colour's your book?
You've made that joke 4 times.
I did the Project X workout and in just 30 seconds my body, life and soul changed forever.
I created JSA.
My name's James Smith and I made a living from watching other people's content and making it my own. His name's Dylan Cartel. He did the same but with mine.
I let him read and get him to tell me. But you keep telling people you didn't have a trust fund. Didn't you have a trust fund from birth?
No man, I was adopted. You're well older.
Oh thanks, they just got my thumbnail. He's adopted.
Maybe he did read the book. Inside, do you know what everyone does? They push with their hand on the inside. So from here, slap my tricep here and push into form. I can either go form.
I take James's email marketing very seriously, and he told me I was going to be flooded with information, so I bought my goggles.
That's actually good. You make a good dad, you know.
We've obviously got budgie smugglers on. I need to know, Smith, why you wear budgie smugglers.
Male confidence. That's probably the topic of your video. Let me tell you something.
Yeah, this is what I wanted. Go on.
We ain't got the best rigs in the world, but we own what we have. Because at the end of the day,
Life is about appreciating what you have and making the most out of what you have, not worrying about what you don't.
And I feel exactly the same. Listen, Dad bod 101. But at the end of the day, we don't fucking care, right?
It took you a while to get used to it, but you come on.
I'm not gonna lie, when I first had them on in Australia in 2018, the man them came for me. But now, I wouldn't go swimming without them, mate. I'm being held back with the shorts, bruv.
The budgies could be a metaphor for life, you know? Until you strip down to your bare bones, you feel weighed down. You don't feel free. And then you get it off. You get
Show
the
them the
budgies
freedom.
on. I've been feeling fine, baby. Yeah, I'm just...
Where are we off to?
Lisbon.
Lisbon, the city.
Very got one fun.
Train.
Yeah.
Train stations
We said a
outside.
drink. I was like, yeah. I'm doing my talk, my AAA talk. What are you going to be doing on the
Oh, I
side?
just I want to make it as accessible for everybody as possible. So I've been learning sign language.
Okay, guys. So today we're going to be doing a Q&A. We've got Jade helping me out with sign language.
Hello, gorgeous.
When I'm your age, I want to look like you.
Oh, you're very kind.
Into Lisbon, you're gonna take these folk and show them some culture, you know? Smith accidentally put the wrong location.
You told me to go to Lisbon, you dickhead.
We are in Lisbon.
I said, guys, I'm putting this to Lisbon. Is there any address you want to go? And you're all just quiet.
We said Lisbon.
Joe, you are, brother. You're a bowcat.
Do you know what a bowcat is?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a pussy eater.
Are you a bowcat? Any man that says they're not is a liar. Liar. Learning some Portuguese. Sing. Obrigado. No. And. Que long. Bye. Que long. Sing. Obrigado.
Oh, dear me. Have you got any cash? I do.
It's too big.
Pick a direction for us to go in. Oi, dickhead, come on.
Smith, can you please explain what this is?
Okay, so Lisbon is famous for many things, but this is known as the Statue of Independence, erected in 1493 when Portugal broke away from the Spanish Empire, and everyone knows about the Spanish king. It was a sign of democracy, a sign of freedom. It was a sign to let the people know that we must come together as one.
How would you create it with your physical appearance? These are the best ones, yeah?
Three.
This is the best one.
And how much?
3 euro. 3.
It's €2 for free.
We come from the UK where things are very expensive.
You should have said 5.
I like to milk my own cows, mate. I ain't paying for that.
What is it called?
Nata, N-A-T-A.
Nata. I don't know what it is, but it's nice. That costs it.
It is.
No, no.
Nice to meet you. Literally the funniest guy. Oh,
What's going on, Bobby? Right. What do you like about James Smith?
The honesty.
Oh, good man. Appreciate it. Good man.
Thank you very much.
Take it easy.
Yes. Oh, this is really beautiful round here. Wow, look how beautiful it all is. No one tells you about Lisbon, do they? It's like a best kept secret. People go, yeah, it was good, but you come here, it's fucking amazing. They don't want people to come here. It's like Idaho. You ever heard anything good about Idaho? No, because they don't want you to know.
Oh, no,
What's
we're
up,
good,
brother?
thanks. No, I'm good, yeah. I don't need marijuana. You said a good price, brother. No, we're good, brother. Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, we're in a big open space. I just want to present to the group that getting some birds would be fucking fun. And I mean, good heavens. We don't have to go on the roads, we don't have to go anywhere dangerous, but look at the amount of fun.
Yo, we're gonna call it a day for the vlog. You guys got a good insight of Lisbon. Let's be honest, majority of it was the boys chatting shit. The official IFS starts tomorrow. I'm gonna be getting as much content as possible to show you guys as much as the event as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below, give me a like, and share it with your friends and family if you're enjoying these vlogs. Peace, I'll catch you guys in a bit.